exactly what we need. Nope. Fucking fired.
No.
I didn't get oil and shit.
Nah, if I can get this to screw back in there, you're good.
See, look, you see how it retracts like that? Not telling him because he didn't.
Oh, yeah, you figured that little.
Who's this, your little bro?
Yeah. I always wanted a warrior, bro. How much did you tell Cam to list this thing up for?
I told him to list it for like 30 or 35.
I tried. I even have it up for 29 right now. No one wants to buy it.
Look, I got it loose now.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
Damn.
I don't need it loose now.
Oh shit.
Who's this?
Is that a gas gas?
Beta, I think. Yeah, not really bad.
I has no gas in it. I gotta put gas.
Sounds good.
Yeah, no, it's quiet.
Hey, we need to tighten this up now. Appreciate it, bro.
You need some gas?
Yeah, I need gas.
I should have gas. I feel better for it back here.
So what's wrong with the 250, gang?
You don't like your truck?
This strip.
I told you I stop doing that with that fucking pliers.
No, the actual boat strip.
The nut?
No, the boat.
Oh.
The threads. The nut won't screw in.
Axle? You should have told me. I could have got one from Rocky Mountain.
Which one's mine? Oh, never mind. I see it. I see it.
The shorter one.
I know, I see it.
Go right there.
What's his name? Ryder. Where the fuck Kev at?
His house. They won't ride back here.
Fuck, we can go to some hills.
I don't know what they do. They don't like riding back here, I guess, because they drove it since he was little.
Yeah.
Now I gotta measure this right.
Meta. Start recording. Landing going purely off momentum. What happened to the battery? Isn't that dude from last time's? He hit that shit with a screwdriver.
Yeah, he traded it to Kevin, and he traded in his KX100 for this.
Ah, oh, you had the KX.
Yeah.
Let's go. It's not leaking no more.
You think it's a good trade? Hell no, you got bump start that motherfucker every rep.
On that TikTok, the KX100, that shit's fire. It started right up.
Yeah, he traded it for this.
Yeah, I made a TikTok account about just this bike. I think I followed you on it. I think so.
Hit that one down there.
Which one? This one right here?
No, it's on down there.
This one?
The farthest one down.
Okay.
Is it down there?
Yeah. Is it hard?
Pretty hard.
Oh, no.
Tanner's actually willing in at 125. What the hell? Look at him. Just say you suck, man.
How's it get better? Did you see me get it back there? Every time somebody try to wheel my bike, it's got looped.
He just willied the fuck out of your bike.
Bro, come on, you can turn the camera off.
He just willied the hell out your bike.
No, you can turn the camera off. Hey, it's alright, I'm gonna get there one day. Look, in a couple years, I'm gonna just be just like that. It don't matter.
Watch that.
You gotta keep it in the power.
It's a power wheelie, bro. Let's go third to fourth. And every time I switch, that bitch come down. Give me some tips, man. I'll be good. Slow down. Yeah. Can you, Willie? Did you try? You don't try? Tanner ass. Who you think better, him or Kevin? Tanner? fuck in there.
Shifted right there, he's been never go.
Gas station room, my little bit.
Why is Karma? Shit, no. Not right now.
Yeah, you vlogging, bro. You vlogging. Here you go. You got it.
Let me see. No, get bro.
I gotta treat all my boys.
What do you mean? You gonna treat me with something? I got all the treats.
What am I getting?
It is actually cold in here. I got it. Man, my shit's small too when it's on soft, don't worry.
You should have bought her. No, my shit's like an inch long when it's off. The girl's like 6, 7. Oh. The some bitch off?
Yeah, it looks like it's dead.
No, it ain't. Why have you been here in the back?
Oh, it's still on. Red light. Who?
Motherfucker!
This piss can't be real.
What?
Oh, this is
I'm gonna find Cam. Where Cam? Huh? Oh.
Was you recording in the bathroom? All right, bruh, we're staying in the fucking Holler tonight. He's getting fucked. I mean, Tanner.
What?
I said we're staying in the Holler tonight. How you feel about it, gang?
Bro, don't
Scared. I'm gonna get fucked by a
Don't
black
ever
bear.
What you say?
No.
Yeah, he's getting trained tonight, guys.
Hey, get
Us.
down. Get down.
Nah, off camera.
Little, oh fuck, where's little Tanner? She said she want to be on there. Go here.
Hold up.
Little Tanner wants to be. Oh fuck.
Where are we sleeping at? The truck?
Oh,
Like, that ain't a bad idea.
no, we might. I mean, shit, it's for the memories.
That's fire.
What you guys say? That's it? Tell them, what's your name?
My name is Eric.
Little Tanner. Oh, look at her face. What's up, boy? Here, you want it?
Found a battery for it?
What's up, vlog? It's me.
Sorry for that guy.
It's your YouTube.
You gotta go over and show them the lights. And tell them which one's your favorite, which one's your
I have to. Where, did Nene already be on it? Nene! You want to be on it? He's too scared.
Go show them which spot's your favorite and which one's your least favorite.
This one's my favorite.
You gotta point the camera at it.
It turned off.
This side. No, it ain't. It's on. See the red light?
This is my favorite one.
That one's your favorite one? Now, which one do you not like?
Hey, say the white one over there that has Gabbana.
No, say whichever one you really don't like.
This one.
She said this one.
You don't like the Temu one? Some Temu.
The Sheen.
Really?
He got it for free. No. He bought some.
What you
clothes,
guys say?
got it for free.
What you guys say? Nothing? No names?
Hey, look,
Who
I
are
got
we?
something
Who
to
are
say.
what?
Cam's a rapist, bro.
Bro, shut the fuck up. Why would you? Yeah, you are. Yeah. Tell them what happened.
I don't know.
Hold it up.
What?
Now, vlog it. What happened?
I don't know.
How do we start our day?
I don't know.
Come on. Where are we going right now?
The picked up the dot. Motor.
Who?
Landon's.
Come on. Start over. Do it again.
No.
Come on. What do we do today? First of all, we stayed in the Holler, right?
Yeah.
And We stayed up late as hell. We went to the store, got her ass some Gatorade and Dr. Pepper. First of all, who are we speaking to?
Nevaeh.
And Landon's bike blew up. His ass gonna ride in the truck bed too.
Oh.
He's not getting his dirty ass jeans in my truck.
Hey, that's fun.
Huh?
I want to do that.
Ride in the truck bed?
Yeah.
You can.
Fun.
You can definitely get your ass back there. Oh shit! You should have grabbed your stuff while you was at the house. You should have grabbed her so we can just go straight there instead of coming back and then going back. Yeah, I know.
I know you will.
All right, this. He's pissed. Worst part is he ain't even the one that blew it up. They're swimming. I think I'm gonna enjoy this AC while I can. I hope we go to the fair today. Oh my goodness. You said 400?
He said 2.
Everything's cut.
I'm sick, bro. I'm sick. You getting in?
Nah.
I don't think I'm gonna get in here.
Come on, Cam. Come on, Cam.
Maybe.
He's doing his front foot all wrong. Hell, I know when I
Oh shit, there's a little sock.
No.
and I just did that one all wrong.
Somebody just saw just dead as one in the water. Bike done.
Piston gone.
Piston gone. Radiator gone. Top end gone. Jug gone.
What time we going to the fair? What time we going to the fair?
I think it, what time is it?
2?
I think it starts at like 5 or 6.
Almost 2. Where we going though?
Yep.
We're going. Fair?